Hello friends, it's Ratan here. In this video I am going to show you how to buy Tron from Binance. So to make the purchase from the Binance, what you need to do, you simply need to log in into your dashboard of Binance. Once you go into the dashboard of your Binance account, once you have login, what you need to do, you simply need to click on wallet. Once you click on wallet, click on overview. Then on the top you will see deposit, withdraw, transfer button. So you need to click on deposit, and you have different option to deposit. You can deposit cash, you can deposit crypto, you can buy with credit card or peer-to-peer transaction. So I normally choose deposit crypto. Once you click on deposit crypto, it will show you the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Initially it will show you the Bitcoin address. So if you are depositing Bitcoin, you can select copy the address shown over here and send the amount you want to deposit in the form of the desired currency. So let's say I want to deposit you Bitcoin. So I will simply select Bitcoin and copy this address and go to the wallet from where I am going to deposit and deposit the Bitcoin amount. Once my deposit comes into the account, what I will do, I will simply come back into the wallet again and again click my overview. It will take 10 minutes to reflect your deposit into the Binance account. Once the deposit will show into the Binance account, you will see your balance over here in the left side. So once the balance starts showing in your Binance account, what you need to do, you simply need to go into the trade section and click on convert. Then you need to select the currency you want to convert. So in my case I am going to convert Bitcoin, so I will simply select Bitcoin, and I also need to select which currency I want to convert this. So I want to convert into TRX Tron, and I will simply enter the amount that I want to convert. 0.011 Bitcoin I want to convert. So I will simply click on preview conversion. So I will get approx this and convert into 3 seconds. So you have 3 seconds to convert that, and you will see successful. You will spend 0.1 Bitcoin converted into 11578.9473684 Tron. So you can now view status, and here you can see BTC to TRX conversion is done, and it's taken only 3 seconds to convert this successful transaction. And now once I go into the wallet overview, so you can see my Tron balance is approx $357. So if you want to withdraw this Tron, what you need to do, you simply need to click on withdraw. So withdraw, here you need to select crypto first, then select the currency. So you need to read the instruction, and once you have read the instruction, click next, done. So now you need to select the currency you want to withdraw, select Tron. So right now your converted Bitcoin will be shown into the Tron. So you can see right now I have approx 11,578 Tron. So if I want to withdraw, I will simply put the address of Tron where I want to withdraw. Let's say I want to withdraw in a Tron wallet or in a Clever wallet, then I will paste the receiving address of Tron from there and then make the withdraw from here. So this is how easy it is to convert Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency into the Tron. And you will get the link of Binance Exchange and Clever Wallet Exchange in the description of this video. So you can go through the link and register your account and start trading crypto on Binance. So this is very good platform to convert your any cryptocurrency within 3 seconds with very low fees. If you are getting any issue while converting or creating your account with Binance, what you can do, you can simply message me on Facebook, type hashtag coach Ratan or engineer Ratan Kumar Anku and message me over there. I will help you to make passive earning online, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you keep getting more and more passive earning opportunity which will make you financially free in coming future. Thank you. God bless. Bye bye.